Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today we will discuss on ceramic processing. Here I have provide to you the mind map. What we learn in this topic. So there are three element or subtopic which need to cover in the ceramic topic. We will discuss on the properties of ceramic and the application of ceramic, and the most important is a processing method in ceramic. Okay, what is ceramic? Ceramic, also known as a clay, and the main source of the clay is we get from the soil. Okay, the properties of ceramic is a high hardness. It's a high hardness. Also brittle material. And then poor electrical conductivity, which means it can be used as a electrical insulator. And also poor thermal conductivity, which the ceramic popularly used as a thermal insulator. And also high melting temperature. It's a high melting temperature which can be used as a mold to cast the metal, and also lighter than metal. Okay, this is all the also another one is a low coefficient of thermal expansion. This is give the benefit to the ceramic, which it can maintain its dimensional stability at higher temperature. Okay, all this is properties of ceramic. So for the application of ceramic, usually used for the tiles, and also in electronic industry, they use a ceramic to build the capacitor and also integrated circuit. Packaging for integrated circuit. Because the ceramic is as a thermal insulator that protect the circuit to be exposed to the high temperature, and also used as a artificial bone in biomedical industry. And for the construction, it used as a brick in construction to build the structure. Okay. For the processing process of ceramic, I list down the process method in processing the ceramic. We start with the production of small particle of ceramic using a crushing or grinding, and then after we get the ceramic in form of small particle, or we can see in form of powder, we go for the next process, which is the forming or shaping process. And then after forming, we go for drying process. Okay, drying process is used to remove the water content inside the product, the form product. And then after we remove all the water content, we go for the next process. We call it firing or sintering process. Firing is used to increase to create the bond between the particle so that we can increase the strength and hardness of the product. And then after that, we go for finishing process, which is we can machine or press to improve the surface or improve the dimension. Okay. For the shaping and forming process, okay, there are two methods we can apply. The first one, we can use a traditional method, and can use the modern method. So for the traditional one, the popular method is a slip casting and also jiggering process. Okay. Slip casting usually used to produce the waste, and jiggering usually used to produce the product with the have the symmetrical part. For the modern process, you can use cold or hot isostatic pressing. So here we can either use in the cold environment or hot environment to conduct the isostatic pressing, or you can use the hot or dry press, which means we press in the two environments. Either you can press in the dry environment or hot environments, and you can apply extrusion process. Extrusion for the ceramic, or you can apply tape casting. Tape casting. Tape casting is a process to produce the plate of ceramic. Ceramic in form of plate. Okay. Later we will discuss detail on each process: slip, jiggering, extrusion, tape, hot or dry press, cold or hot isostatic pressing, or you can refer to the lecture notes which discuss on detail of this process. So here I want to highlight to you the difference between ceramic processing and powder metallurgy. So there is the process is look like same with the powder metallurgy. Okay, both of the process start with a small particle of raw material and go for the forming and shaping, and go for firing and finishing process. So the difference is here, drying. In ceramic processing, we have to dry the preformed part or green part. We have to dry it because ceramic, before we conduct the forming process, we have to add some moisture or water mixed with the ceramic particle, and then go for forming, and then we have to remove back the water through the drying process. And then next for the firing. Firing is the same process with in the powder metallurgy. The objective is to increase the strength of the product. Okay, so I hope you can differentiate between ceramic processing and powder metallurgy. The process is look like same, but there is a little bit difference. Okay, thank you very much.